Samsung Smart Tag review. Let's talk about it. So with this, it comes in a giant box, and when you take it out, it's just this little tag right here. So the Smart Tag, what can this do? Oh, okay, yep, quick start guide. Let's see, what do we do here? Okay, great. So what you do is you take this tag, you get a little key ring, and you place it on things that you don't want to lose. Your remote, your keys.
Where'd I leave my goddamn car keys? Okay, I'll walk.
Your wallet.
Aren't you Patrick Star?
Yep.
And this is your ID.
Yep.
I found this ID in this wallet. And if that's the case, this must be your wallet.
That makes sense to me.
Then take it.
It's not my wallet.
Your kid.
Open your hand and zoom out. What do you need? What are you looking for? My goggles. Where are they?
Our phones. Our minds.
The RV, the boat, the house, car.
Just a lot of things that we lose daily. And also you get a dedicated app to actually use this to figure out where things are. Here's the thing. It doesn't tell us exactly where the lost item is. It just gives us the general area. And that's pretty much the Samsung tag. Tag it. You just tag it. That's all you do. You just tag it. Tag my camera, tag my mic, tag my lights, tag myself. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Seriously.